It's a minibus. Did she just chuck a can of Coke out as well? Dirty animal. Filthy little bitch. I like how they look at you as if you're doing something wrong. They pull out in front of you and then blame you for, I don't know what the fuck they blame me for, but it's all my fault anyway. Doesn't matter what happens in the world, it's always your fault. Remember that if you're driving. It's never their fault, it's always your fault. You dickhead. You've come down the wrong way, you crazy old lady. Oh dear, dear.
Daisy, stop kicking the chair, baby.
What was that?
A red light?
No. You sure?
No, because I wasn't looking.
We're gonna edit it to make it look green. We're gonna edit it out to make it look green, just to let the bus driver off, because he wasn't a knobhead just then, was he?
He definitely was.
No.
Yeah, he was.
No! Should we call all these for a red light?
Yeah, definitely.
Okie dokie. Sorry boys, we're going to be forced over the roundabout today because of that f***ing backwards 8. Go on, get up, they're blocking the roundabout. Whoop whoop. I'm not on my phone, officer. Oh, I love the smell of Monday morning incompetence.
Why do you always come this way? I hate this way. Why is he driving in the middle of the road?
Well, it says give way back there, mate, so that's what you should have done, wouldn't it? You can carry on going back now.
Why was she driving in the middle of the road?
Thinking I was going to move out of the way. Not her.
Oh, I hate this road. Right. That's one thing I'll never, ever, ever.
It's not difficult. Look. It's very simple, Alexei. You give way to anybody on the other side of that give way line. Yeah? It's very simple.
No, I get that.
It's not a very hard thing to understand.
Yeah, but most people,
no, he's done it. Look, he's give way. Yeah? Because there's a give way line.
Yeah, for most people, it's difficult, isn't it? I don't think they see the give way.
He's got it right, and then what you do, you go, thank you. And they usually say thank you back, apart from that one. I'm going to have to go through a video and find where I've gone past the car at that point and there's been no issue. She made it an issue, and that's what's bugged me. Make sense?
Yeah.
So you did it on purpose, just for summer, because there's no reason to do that. I'm going to have to go through all my videos now and try and find one where I'm crossing another car.
Oh, no.
At that point, I'm going to prove that it can be done. Is the crossing, you going to go or not? You're just going to sit there? What are you doing? You're welcome, I suppose. What a strange thing to do.
Oh, no. You know what I meant to do?
At me.
Oh, that was close.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Beep, beep, yeah.
Fire.
Whoa. Oh, seriously.
You sound like Crash Bandicoot.
Wow.
How on earth did that BMW get in that position to start with? He's tried to go on the wrong side of the road, and he thought there was like 2 lanes in that same direction. That's the only thing I could assume that's happened. What a knobhead. What's he doing? He was like, he's kneeling down on his seat.
No, he's not kneeling down.
He was leaning down and he stood up. I thought he was going to do some somersaults or something. Oh, the fucking belt. Come on, man. Yeah, there we go. You're lucky your door is open, my friend, because somebody would report you for parking on a crossing like that. Naughty boy. Naughty boy. I was wondering why he was going slow and taking up half the road. He was on his camouflage mobile telephone. Aww. We're going to go with prick. Although additional information, I've just got a bit confused and I'm just a bit pickled at the moment. He's obviously had it on loudspeaker, okay? Picture it, okay? Follow along if you can. I know it's hard. He's obviously got it on loudspeaker because he's got it in front of his face, in his hand, and he's speaking to it. So it's not on like the normal speakers, it's on loudspeaker. We've established that. Now, why doesn't he just put it on the seat? That's my question. That's what confuses me when people are like on their phone when they're driving. Why don't you just put it on the seat, put it on the dashboard, put it in the door, put it somewhere apart from in your fucking hand? Because it's on loudspeaker already. Why don't you just take advantage of it being on loudspeaker? You don't need to hold the phone. I really don't get it, man. It's weird. If you've got it up to your ear, fair enough, right? You're being a knobhead, but you've got it up to your ear because that's where the sound's coming out. If you've got it on loudspeaker and you've got it in your hand, there is no excuse for that. There is no defending that, is there? Think about it. Rant over.
She obviously didn't care about the red light, did she?
Nope. Did she just go for a red light and then stop at another red light?
Yeah.
It just makes no fucking sense. I mean,
That's strange.
It is, isn't it?
That's very strange. Not bad.
See her, get over.
I think she was saying sorry. I think she's sorry. Sorry, she started clapping her hands.
No.
Aww.
Definitely get over.
Was it? Bitch. Oh,
I thought he was going to tip over then.
good driving. Alexei, I want you to do me a favour.
What?
I want you to say special.
Yeah.
Say it then.
Special.
Now inconsiderate.
Inconsiderate.
Now arsehole.
Asshole.
Arsehole.
Asshole.
Thank you.